You have charged violation of your bond or protective order.
Yes, sir.
Do you need a court-appointed attorney on that charge?
I believe I might already have one, but yes, sir.
Okay, put you down for yes, public defender.
Thank you, Your Honor. So, are you employed?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Where do you work?
American Lawns,
Okay. And how long have you lived in Amarillo?
7 years.
Okay. And it's my understanding that you're currently kind of sick and dealing with an illness. Is that correct?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
All right. I'd also like to point out that there was no threatening, offensive, or violent contact in this violation of protective order. Both parties were there willingly, and we would like to ask for a PR bond on this.
Yeah, I don't. Personally, I don't give personal bonds on protective order cases. So that's not going to happen. I will set your bond at $2,000 with conditions that you have no direct or indirect contact or communication with the victim. All right. Anything else, sir?
No, sir. Thank you.
All right. Thank you.
Just sitting here and speaking of my 2000.
How you doing?
I'm doing good, sir. I guess you're doing better than you was yesterday.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. You have, do you understand your rights as I read them to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You have 3 charges here. You got possession and controlled substance, penalty group 1, 1B, more than 1 gram, less than 4 grams. It's a 3rd-degree felony, possession of dangerous drug, class A misdemeanor, and driving while intoxicated, class B misdemeanor. You need court-appointed attorneys on your charge, sir.
Yes, sir.
We'll put you down for yes on all those. Public defender.
Thank you, Your Honor. So where were you born?
Here in Amarillo, Texas.
And how long have you lived here?
My whole life.
Okay. What high school did you go to?
Caprock High School.
Okay. It's also my understanding that you're currently looking for employment. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And you do have family in the area, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, that you consider these factors in the setting of the bond, Your Honor.
All right. Okay, on the possession of dangerous drug, class A misdemeanor, $2,000 bond. Driving while intoxicated, a $3,500 bond. On the possession of controlled substance, penalty group 1B, that's a $7,500 bond. These all have conditions on them that you do not commit any other offenses against the laws of the state of Texas, any other state, or those of the United States. You must remain at your residence from 9 p.m. until 6 a.m. unless you are working. And then it is only to be at that place of employment or en route to or from that place of employment. Any questions?
So what is my the total amount of my bond?
Well, you got 2,000 on one, 3,500, that's 5,500, and then 7,500. So you're talking about $13,000.
Okay. Thank you.
All right, thanks, sir.
Thank you. Speaking to that microphone.
Yes, sir.
Good morning, sir. Did you understand your rights as I read them this morning?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir.
Okay, you have a charge here, sir, of indecent exposure. Do you need a court-appointed attorney on that charge, or do you wish to furnish your own?
Yes, sir.
That yes, you're gonna furnish your own, or yes, you want a court-appointed?
Yes, Corbett. How you doing today?
I'll do it fine. I'll put you down for yes.
Can I say something, Judge? I can ask you one little question.
Well, hold on just a minute. Let me
Okay.
get with the public defender and see what she has to say in your behalf.
Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor. So where were you born?
Amarillo, Texas.
Okay. Have you been here all your life?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And what high school did you graduate from?
Probably High School.
Okay. We'd like to ask for a PR bond in this instance, Your Honor.
Okay, what did you have to say, Mr. Davison?
I'd like to take one.
Is that what you was gonna ask me before the public defender?
Oh, no. Like on the, kind of like the homeless thing. She'll make a good case worker for people for like us that need help for homeless, for HUD and stuff.
So I understand you live at the Tyler Resource Center?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And you grew up here and went to Potter?
Yes, sir.
I'm gonna give you a $1,000 personal bond.
Mhm.
With the understanding you do not commit any other offenses against the laws of the state of Texas, any other state, or those of the United States. And have you had a mental health exam recently?
But I'll take one for you.
Okay. I'm gonna put you down for that too. It's called a 1622. After you get out, you'll have 30 days to get that done, and that's at Texas Panhandle Center. Or any other licensed mental health professional within 30 days after release. If you do it at TPC, it doesn't cost you anything. State pays for that. And there's one downtown. I think it's at 16th and Polk in that area, and 15th and Polk. Okay, you can go down in there if you, since you're going to be getting out today. Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right. Have any questions, sir?
Oh, sir.
All right. Good luck to you.
Thank you. Think about my-
You understand your rights as I read them, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you have a charge out of Smith County for forgery of a financial instrument over $750, under $2,500. They've recommended a $1,000 bond. Have you been arrested before this on this charge?
No, sir.
Okay. When you get back to Smith, if you need a lawyer, you need to ask them about it. Does our resources cover Smith?
I do believe that our office covers Smith County. Yes.
Okay. So do you want a court-appointed attorney, or do you want to furnish your own?
A court-appointed attorney, sir.
Yeah, I'll put you down for yes. They can work that out with you. Okay. But
Okay.
bond set at $1,000 with conditions you don't commit any other offenses against the laws of the state of Texas, any other state, or those of the United States. If you cannot make bond, let them know, and they'll contact Smith, and Smith come get you and take you back to their facility.
Okay.
Any questions?
Was it $1,000?
$1,000, and we'll pay 10% of that.
Okay, all right, thank you.
All right, thank you.
Speak to that and close the door. For your privacy already. No, you're good.
Ms. Fleming, did you understand your rights as I read them?
Yes.
You have a charge of manufacturing, delivery of controlled substance, penalty group 1, more than 4 grams and less than 200 grams. Do you need a court-appointed attorney on that charge, or do you wish to
Yes,
furnish?
please.
Okay, puts down for yes, public defender.
Thank you, Your Honor. So it's my understanding that you're currently looking for work. Is that correct?
Well, yeah, for part-time, but
Okay. And you had an interview actually lined up. Is that right? Okay. What day is that interview?
tomorrow.
Tomorrow. Okay. You also graduated high school. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay. And that was here in the Amarillo area, right? Okay.
Mom.
Okay. And your mom also is suffering some pretty major illness. Is that correct?
Yeah, she has stage 4 cancer.
Okay. And you are the primary care provider for that, right?
Yes.
You are the one that has to take her to all the doctor's appointments and basically do everything to care for her, correct?
Yes.
We ask that these factors are reflected in the setting of the bond, Your Honor.
Never been arrested before, Ms. Fleming?
Years ago. I have, years ago,
And what was that for?
a possession less than a gram
Of?
of a controlled substance.
Okay, wasn't marijuana?
No. I think it was just a drug possession charge, actually.
What was the results of that?
I did probation and I completed it.
Yeah, the recommended bond was 10,000. I will drop that to 5,000. With conditions. You do not commit any other offenses against the laws of the state of Texas, any other state, or those of the United States. While you're out on bond, you are to abstain from the use or possession of any dangerous, illegal drugs, narcotics, marijuana, or alcohol unless so prescribed by a physician. Have any questions?
No, sir.
Okay, thank you.
So 10% of that, so that's 900. Come down, yeah. Stand here and speak into that mic.
Yes, ma'am.
Johnny, did you understand your rights as I read them to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you have charge of assault on a pregnant woman on a warrant 87-671-C. Do you need a court-appointed attorney on that charge?
Yes, sir.
Puts down for yes. There is a protective order in this case.
Yes, sir.
And I understand that this, what is it? She resides at. This is an ex-girlfriend?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is valid for a period of 60 days. I'm not going to read the whole thing to you, but I will send it out to you and you'll be able to read it. I'm going to highlight things you cannot do. And since you ain't living with this female and she's an ex, you should not have any problems with these. Have any questions on that?
No, sir.
Public defender?
Thank you, Your Honor. So you're currently looking for work here, is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
And you have a potential job that is lined up?
Absolutely.
Okay. And where were you born?
Amarillo.
Okay. And you've lived here your entire life?
Yes, ma'am.
It's also my understanding that you have your GED, is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
We ask that these factors are reflected in the setting of the bond, Your Honor.
Yeah, set your bond at $5,000.
Yes,
It
sir.
has those conditions that I read to you in that emergency protective order. Plus, you cannot commit any other offenses against laws of
Absolutely.
Texas, any other state, or
Yes,
those
sir.
of the United States. While you're out on bond, you are to abstain from the use or possession of any dangerous illegal drugs, narcotics, marijuana, or alcohol unless so prescribed by a physician.
Absolutely.
Further, last but not least, you may not possess any firearm or
Yes,
ammunition.
sir. Yes, sir.
And I'll set your bond again at $5,000.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much.
All right, thanks, sir.
Just stand here and speak into that mic.
Mr. Diaz, did you understand your rights as they were presented?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you have a charge of bond surrender. Possession of controlled substance, penalty group 1B, less than 1 gram. No bonds recommended on this. You'll have to see the judge that you were originally assigned to, district judge.
Yes,
But
sir.
I'll put you down for a court-appointed attorney. So
They give me, I got a paperwork. They gave me, my attorney's name is,
what you might want to do, and she'll probably suggest, the public defender will probably suggest that to you, that you contact that attorney and maybe he can get the process speeded up a little bit.
yes,
With-
sir.
The district judge that signed your case.
Yes, sir.
Okay, otherwise we're just waiting on him. Or any questions, sir?
No, sir.
All right, thank you.
Yes. Thank you.
Speaking of that microphone, so the judge can hear you, okay?
Okay, how you doing today, Teresa?
Fine.
Okay, I'm gonna read your constitutional rights to you. It's 12:03 on the 5th day of August 2025. I, the undersigned, which is you, was taken before Robert Taylor, that's me, a magistrate at his office at the Potter County Courthouse via a Zoom hearing, who informed me of the accusations against me, that I have a right to retain counsel, I have a right to remain silent, I have a right to have an attorney present during any interviews I have with peace officers or attorneys representing the state. I have a right to terminate that interview at any time. I have a right to request appointment of counsel if I cannot afford counsel. I have a right to an examining trial, and I'm not required to make any statement at all, but any statement I do make could be used against me in a court of law. Did you understand your rights, Teresa?
Yeah.
Okay, you have a charge here, ma'am, of assault of hospital personnel on hospital property. You need a court-appointed attorney on that charge?
I don't know what that means.
That means, do you want the state to furnish you an attorney? Or do you?
Yes.
Okay. We can do that, put you down for yes. Public defender.
Thank you, Your Honor. She does live in the Panhandle area, specifically Carson County. So we would like to ask that that is reflected in the setting of the bond with the addition of 1622.
Okay. I was gonna do that. Well. I'm gonna reduce the bond that's recommended from 7,500 to 2,500. With conditions. You do not commit any other offenses against the laws of the state of Texas, any other state or those of the United States. Refrain from the use or possession of any dangerous illegal drugs, narcotics, marijuana, or alcohol, unless so prescribed by a physician. Within 30 days after release on bond, you are to go to the Texas Panhandle Centers, which is commonly referred to as TPC, or any other licensed mental health professional within 30 days after release and have a mental health exam conducted. Still living in Groom?
Yeah.
Okay. I don't know if I'm sure they have something in Groom as well, but if they don't, there's a couple of places here in Amarillo that you can go to that are free of charge with TPC. There's one out in the medical center, and there's one around 15th and Pope here, downtown Amarillo. So, do you have any questions, ma'am?
No.
Okay. Thank you.
All right, thank you, Ted. Thank you.
All right. See you tomorrow.